Alright, so for the fridge shot, there was actually quite a bit of personal information on the front of the fridge, and so I had to hide it all down the side of the fridge. And then the way in which I filmed it, I got a couple of boxes, because I don't have a lot of equipment, and I sort of just lined it up, zoomed it in a little bit, and then walked over to the fridge, and just went like that. I also used the alphabet letters to spell out board as like a little Easter egg. Put a couple of postcards on it to make it seem like a normal fridge. But yeah, it was filmed on a box of tea, and then it was just a case of me just opening a fridge door, and then after that, it was just a case of the editing.
So when it came to the editing of the fridge shots, it was a really simple process to get the effect that I wanted. All I did was place the clip on the timeline about 5 or 6 times, and then every second clip I just reversed. So one plays forward, one plays backwards. And something else that I did to fit the general theme of the editing is I tried to put the cuts on, I don't know whether you can see here, on or as close to where the music or the beat goes, and that sort of kept the continuity of the video flowing. You can sort of see it. It's always, you're never going to get it exact, but it was close enough that it achieved the desired effect. And then when it plays through all together, it looks as if, I'm sort of opening and shutting the fridge to the beat. And then the speed and duration thing is just as simple as right-clicking, hitting speed and duration, and if it's one of the clips you need to reverse, hit reverse speed, leave it at 100, and then, that's the desired effect achieved.